What's up, guys? We're here. We're gonna make another meal for you today. Welcome to Karl Outdoors. Alright, today we're gonna be using our wok again. Got 2 tablespoons of butter. Start our pan out here. Put it on medium to low. Let our butter melt a little bit. Alright, we got our onion chopped up here. We got a whole large onion. And we got 1 cup of carrots. We're gonna add it in with our butter to saute. Alright, we'll just give it a little stir in here. Nothing burns. Saute that for a while until everything is cooked through. The onions are translucent. We'll let that sit here for a second. Alright, looks like our onions are pretty much translucent. Carrots are looking good. Now it's time to add in some garlic. It says to do 3 cloves, but I don't know, we like garlic. So I'm doing 2 spoons of these. Okay, now we just gotta mix it in. Cook this a little bit until our garlic is smelling good and fresh. And then we'll add our next ingredient. Alright, our garlic is smelling really good. Time to add in our next ingredients. Right here we got 1 cup of frozen peas. Mix this in here. Go ahead and add our next ingredient here. We got 5 cups of instant rice, and we made it last night so it could be chilled because you're supposed to make it with it chilled. Here's 5 cups. Alright, now that we got this stirred in here, now we'll let it cook. I guess not really cook, let it warm up. Give it about a couple, 2-3 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. Alright, we'll give this a little bit of a stir one more time, and then we'll add our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is going to be 3 eggs scrambled. I got them prepped over here on the side. We'll add those here in a sec. Alright, here's my 3 eggs scrambled. I'm going to add them in here. Now we stir it in. Get it nice and warm in here. Alright, after this is warmed up pretty good, it's been about a minute or 2 here. We'll add in our last ingredients here. First, we got a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 3 teaspoons of oyster sauce. I already got it measured out here, and I'll just add it. And then we'll mix it in all together. Alright, finish stirring this in here. I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit on low. Let it keep cooking. But that is fried rice. Alright, we're all done here. Let's give it a little taste test before we let you go. That is pretty good. Easy to make. Lots of leftovers. Thanks for watching.